With hurricane season only 2 weeks away, Florida Power and Light wants to give people a few tips on how to prepare. The first step in hurricane preparation is to get together with your family and come up with a unified plan. It's important to start making plans for pets or family members that have electric medical devices early rather than when a storm is approaching. One of the leading causes of power outages is vegetation, and one way that can help prevent power outages during storms is to have your trees trimmed by professionals now so nothing gets damaged. FPL also takes its own measure to strengthen its utilities for hurricanes.
We're strengthening main power poles, so replacing wooden poles with steel or concrete ones, undergrounding many power lines throughout the state to, again, avoid the leading cause of power outages, vegetation, making contact with our power lines, along with a variety of other efforts as well to just ensure that we're providing reliable service on a day-to-day level, but also that we're ready if a storm does come our way.
In the event of a power outage, you can download the FPL app for updates on what's happening and when power is expected to be restored. Links for more tips and resources will be available on our website.